Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy EVERYTHINGROCKYG, man. I'm here with another video. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, let me know who you are. I'll introduce myself, you know what I'm saying? I'm out here in Far Rockaway, going fishing. Me and my bud, man. We out here trying to fish. I think I caught something. Hold on. False alarm. I caught a piece of seaweed. Oh man, so I'm using a 3-pound weight. Got my little setup here, man. Bought this little setup for like about $50 last year. I'm gonna upgrade. You know what I'm saying? My man's got this big John right here. Pause.
Yeah, you know we outside, you told.
You know what I'm saying?
About to catch a shark, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, what's up, man? He gonna show you how to cast, man. Using my little giddy up over here. It's a piece of clam on there. Yo, how far you think you got it, man?
20 feet.
About 20 feet.
Arm of
You
a
know what I'm saying?
Arm of a line, 20 feet.
Yeah. Look at the ferry. Ferry leaving from Far Rockaway. With the city down there in New York City over there, but that's Brooklyn. That's Brooklyn. That's nice. Oh, where'd it go? Got a couple people out there. Must be nice having a boat. Yeah, still going. NYC Ferry. Port. Yeah, man, so just here waiting. It looks so beautiful. That's the sunset by the seashore. Seashore. Still crazy. Yeah. Everything Rocky G here. What's up, gang? Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. I think I can catch this. Hold on. My mans ain't catch shit. Damn, son. Man, she ain't no fish out here. Look at that. That shit look harder in the video. That sunset. That shit look hard. Beach be getting alright though. You got your up and your downs. Never give up. Keep trying. That's the moral of the story. Ain't no fish today. It's gonna be fish tomorrow.